A geostrategic threat that has been in the news a ton recently, especially with the new Trump administration several months into their term, has been Greenland. Greenland has been constantly in the news. Why is it so important to the Trump administration to focus on Greenland?
Well, Greenland is symbolic of a changing Arctic region, changing both because of climate change. It's really ground zero for rising temperatures, retreating sea ice, and thawing permafrost, which has enabled a region that was long frozen and accessible mostly to the people who live there and to the submarines that are thought of in the hunt for Red October, U.S. and Soviet submarines, and missile and space defense. But now you have a whole new region that's opened in our lifetime that's become more navigable with resources, energy, minerals, and potentially future other types of commercial activity. And we also have a Russia that's been very aggressive against Ukraine, and we've seen spillover of Russian aggression against our Arctic allies and neighbors in the high north, Norway, Sweden, Finland, all now part of NATO. And we've also seen increased interest in China and many other countries in the Arctic. At the same time, we see Greenland, which is really part of the North American Arctic. When you look at a map of North America, you see Alaska is R10 and Greenland is the 2. Developing closer, more independence from Denmark, but still very much involved in European and high north security, and also working very closely with our Canadian allies as well.